So, what's up, YouTube? Today, like I told you, I showed you a little bit of the shop here around. It's a mini shop. It's a mini shop for my Lazyguy welding mini shop. So, yeah. So we got everything almost done. We got the vise. We have a new welder. I bought those Chicago electric welders. I guess, I mean, I got it. I didn't pay the $100 for it. And I bought it for from a guy at the flea market for $70, $70. Yeah, it was $70. And I bought a grinder, a Bayur, the red ones, the red grinders, the 20 volts, and I bought another drill, another impact drill from them too. And I got it right here. Give me a second. Yeah, so I bought one more of those. I had one already. I bought it brand new at a Harbor Freight for I believe $74. That's what it came with the coupon, actually. 64 or 74, I can't remember that. But then I went to my friend where I get the motors, all the Predator motors. I get them from him. He gave me the drill, this drill right here. This is not the new one, this is mine. This is the new one's over there inside the house. I've been doing some work inside the house with it. But this one right here, the other one, the brand new one, he gave it to me brand new in a box, in a bag. It comes in a bag with a charger, and it's a 20 volt. It works pretty good. He gave it to me for $40, I think. $40 I paid for that. And then the grinder, I paid $15, and for that jigsaw, I don't know what it's called, I paid another $15. So it was $30. It was like, and the welder was $70. The welder was $70. Right now, I just wanted to tell you that I apologize for the first videos I uploaded. I mean, whoever watched them, I know they're kind of not cool. They're kind of boring. So yes, I apologize for the video, the videos I uploaded about the Fox go-kart. I mean, I'm trying to learn how to edit. I don't know how to do that, so I've been trying with those videos. I mean, the good stuff is barely coming, so I'm gonna show you just a couple of pictures and projects I'm working on right now that I'm gonna start videotaping. See if you guys want to see that. Right now, I'm gonna show you. It's gonna switch right now, and I'm gonna show you a small video of the Kawasaki mule I'm building. Okay, so yeah, that Kawasaki mule, I'm building it for a good friend of mine. Yeah, he has a little ranch over there in Hidalgo County, so he wants to buy some cattle, I believe, and he wanted a small UTV, or he was looking for a John Deere, what are those things called? John Deere Gator, I believe. Yeah, John Deere Gator. So then I was like, hey, well, I mean, we went to this outdoor sports store somewhere here in McAllen, and yeah, they're $5,000. The cheapest one was $5,000. It was real simple. But it had no box, and he's actually looking for like a little box, you know, where you put your stuff in the back, and he wants to fill it up with cow feed and hay bales or hay stacks. I don't know what are those things called either. So anyways, so I offered him, and I was like, hey, you know what, I mean I could try to build you one. I mean, it's gonna the motor I could put on it would probably be a 420, and I have it here. It's a brand new. I already bought it, so I already started the project. So yeah, I already bought the 420. It's a Predator 420, and it's brand new in box. I'll take it out and I'll take a picture of it so you guys can see it. And then I'm just waiting on the transaxle. He wants reverse and forward, so I need a transaxle to mount on it. Right now, I only have half of the body made. I'll show you some pictures of that too, and I don't have video of it, but I'll show you a quick picture slide. of what I have right now and what I started, and we're gonna work on that. So this coming video that I would upload would be now working on the mule. I mean, it's not gonna be a mule. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. I have some names in mind, but as soon as let's see how it works out. That mule. I mean, I'm building it from scratch, and I'm using the suspension, just the front part suspension of Eton. I don't know if you guys heard of those ATVs. They're Chinese quads. They're 150 cc's Eton Vipers or something like that. I think it's called an Eton Viper. And I bought that one for $60, like around 2 years ago. No. So then I took the front suspension off the quad, and I took most of the parts off of it, and I kept them. The old motor, I cut the motor with the grinder. I cut, you know how they have the motor, and there's like on the other side you have the transmission. It's connected to the motor with the belt. So I cut it in half, and I kept the transmission. So I have that transmission. I mean, I kept that. I was gonna try it on the mule, but I'm not. I'm just gonna rather put a new kit. I ordered it on eBay already, so it'll be coming in soon. Okay, so that's it for that. I'll show you the slide. Like I said, I'll show you the picture slide for the Kawasaki mule. And then we have a John Deere. The John Deere is my favorite. And we have, I'm going to show you a quick picture of the John Deere when I bought it. I bought it for $20. So I haven't even started the videos yet because I wanted to get a good camera. So, John Deere. So I'm just going to build it because I want to build it. I want to make it look like a real John Deere. So we're going to get all those details soon when I start. I'll show you a picture slide of the John Deere and the tires I got for it right now. I'm waiting on the front tire. So now get those two, and yeah, but the most important thing is that right now we're gonna build the Kawasaki mule, and we're gonna have the 3 builds. I'm gonna work on one video on the mule, and then another video on the John Deere, and then we don't get bored, guys. So then the other project I have is gonna be a cross go-kart. You know, you've seen those already. They're getting pretty famous. So we're gonna build one. I like those kind of go-karts, and I'm gonna build one. So for that one, I'm gonna have that. You saw the 420 I showed you. They're laying in my little shelf over there. That's gonna be for that. I'm gonna put a 420 on it, and I already got most of the parts. I bought some metal already, a lot of metal. So about like a couple $100 of metal. So we have material now to work. I didn't have any, and I wanted to have the shop ready. So, like, you know, I have my rod arc welder. That's what you call them. It's a Lincoln. It's I'll show you a picture of it. The picture's gonna be up here in a second. There you go. So yeah, I have that welder, and then I just bought this new one, the Harbor Freight one, the Chicago Electric welder. It's a 25 amp. So yeah, we're gonna get started building. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. I mean, I'm telling you, the first videos, I know they're kind of slow and bad made, I guess. I don't know, but hopefully this coming up videos you'll like. And thank you for watching. Subscribe whenever if you like the video. Subscribe and leave a comment. See what do you want me to build after you see me building. I have a lot of projects for the John Deere. It's going to be a part 1 that's going to be building it, putting the tires, making it look real, getting lights for it, getting LED, a lot of stuff like that. And then there's going to be a second part, and that's going to be building an equipment for it. Because it doesn't have a deck. So the equipment I'm going to build is going to be, I don't know the name. I don't know what the name is called in English. I know what's called in Spanish, but the name should be popping up right there of the thing I'm telling you. So it has I'm gonna use 2 motors, like 2 lawnmower motors on it, and with each with their cutting blade. And it's gonna be a little bit wider than the tractor, and it's gonna have a lift, so it's gonna be able to lower and lift up, you know, the size of the grass you want. Like if you want 3-inch cut, 4-inch cut, 5-inch, etc. So it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna use an electric. I think it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called. That one. So yeah, and then actuator. I think it's called actuator. Yeah, so it's called an actuator. We're going to use an electric actuator so it can lift up, you know, electric, because we're going to have, it's going to be DC voltage anyways. So we're going to get a nice good battery on the John Deere. So yeah, well, like I said, guys, so thank you for watching. Hope you like the videos, the upcoming videos. I know these videos were kind of slow. Sorry about that. And yeah, we'll get that. We'll get started this weekend. I'll start on the mule. I'm going to build some stands. I don't know, like a little table so I can weld on it. That's what I'm trying to build right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So thank you for watching.